Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. How are you doing everybody today? Are you enjoying the beginning of this new year, and what are your New Year's resolution? And guys, today I would like to unbox together with you this particular perfume. It's Middle Eastern Arabic perfume. Jazzab is the name, and it's by Ard Al Zafaaran, guys. I bought this perfume because I had this another perfume, Ijazi, which is actually masculine smelling. So that, you know, Ijazi to me kind of sounded similar as Jazzab. I show you where's this is Jazzab. Jazzab is the name, and there is Jazzab gold, so that's gold, and then there is silver. I have no experience about this particular perfume. I only can do is just to open it and just to see what's the smell like. I kind of remember reading that it's kind of citrusy type of light. The longevity perhaps is not the greatest, and some people enjoy it. That's all what I can see. Let's unbox this perfume. That's the box. It's quite interesting, isn't it? The box, guys. So I'm gonna take out right now. Guys. Let's take it out. There must be something metallic, you know. There's kind of metal. What's that? Ah, that's just kind of like this. Guys, that's very interesting. So basically that's how it looks like, this type of gold and luxurious type of thing. It just like basically shines, guys. It just simply shines whenever you turn it, and it looks something that is very luxurious. I have never had something like that before. To be honest, it does look a bit cheap, you know, the bottle, but also luxurious in a way too, because of the way it's kind of made, isn't it? So that's, guys, is just up. Before I'm going to try it on, I'm gonna read, just gently to read just a little bit to see what it is about, okay? So I'm gonna read it right now, just to see what it is. Like on Fragrantica, I kind of don't see much information there. So Jazzab Gold is basically perfume for women. It's like newly launched, and it's Ard Al Zafaaran. So notes would be citrus, you know, notes would be citrus, cedar, amber, oriental, woody aroma. So citrusy perfume is perfume, modern quality with modern developments. It's warm scent, exotic woods and spices as well. And what else? Basically, people, what do you say? Basically, people say that they're glad they bought this perfume. It's around 17 pounds. You know, you immediately smell basically blooms and musk, nutmeg, cinnamon. Basically, she would wear it. Basically, this person with a summer dress. That's just only one review, guys, that I read. And right now, guys, I'm gonna sip one sip of tea, and then we're gonna continue. We're gonna, guys, continue to unbox this perfume, this classy luxury looking perfume. I believe it will be something citrusy, something light, with some of the Ard Al Zafaaran perfumes, guys. I already experienced some lightness, like Dirham Wardi, for example, is one of the versatile perfume that is kind of fresh, white florals, and very nice. So if this one would be also kind of fresh perfume, would be great, because most of the Middle Eastern perfume, guys, are not fresh. The cap. Feel some Middle Eastern little bit vibe, you know, Jazzab, guys. Okay, continuation with this. Okay, so I can feel that this perfume will not be overpowering, which is actually great, you know. I can also feel that this perfume, you can spray it, as quite often, that perhaps the longevity will not be the most factor there. So it feels citrusy, musky, a little bit woody. Very simple, to be honest, something that wouldn't overpower anything. So that means if you want to wear this to work, it's actually perfect. Like, it really didn't surprise me too much. It's exactly what I kind of thought it will be, when I bought this perfume. Something simple, very simple, and type of gentle, feminine, polite type of perfume. Polite, kind of, the best thing about this perfume that is kind of not overpowering. It's a citrusy type of fresh perfume with some woodiness, feminine, with some musk as well, with some sweetness there. Like, I think, this like Ard Al Zafaaran perfume, Shams Al Emarat Kususi, guys. So that perfume is a bit stronger than this. Imagine Shams Al Emarat Kususi Red Oud mixed, let's say, less strong, and mixed with some citruses. So really gentle perfume, guys, really gentle perfume. There is no white florals. I don't see any white florals. Just as this color of this bottle, like as you can see, the juice is kind of like a yellowish there, type of orangey. So basically it's kind of, woody, citrusy, musky. 3 words, simple, nothing too that would kind of wow you, nothing too that would surprise you, but also nothing that would repulse you as well. So this perfume stands right in the middle. But what's extraordinary about this perfume is the bottle, guys. The bottle is extremely extraordinary. As you can see, the bottle is something that will grab your attention. As you can see, guys, I'm turning and it's already grabbing your attention, isn't it? So the smell is still there. It's a little bit fading away, guys, but it's still pleasant citrusy perfume. Let's say, would I repurchase it again? Perhaps no, but also I need to experience it a little bit more, guys. I need to have more experience about it. Let's say I think I will enjoy Dirham Vardi more than this perfume. But I'm also happy to try this one. I will not rush you there to buy this perfume. I wouldn't rush to buy this perfume, but also if you decided to buy, it will not repulse you as well. It's quite a kind of interesting type of simplicity in this perfume. Simplicity, lightness, that it basically what stands out from this perfume is bottle, how it looks like, and also the way it's not overpowering. That's what stands out the most, a little bit similar to Ard Al Zafaaran Red Oud, guys. So that's perfume for women. I wonder how is perfume for man, that silver one, must be also probably simple perfume. That's all, guys. I'm gonna leave you with that. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know, are you looking at this perfume? Are you considering to get it? I will do some updates, guys, later on. I will do some updates and I will come back to you soon, guys. Have a beautiful day. Like this video and bye bye, guys.